Hi, Carmen Bundy here with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Ambassador Real Estate, and I am with Kevin Lynn from Titanium HVAC. He is my go-to HVAC guy, and since it's the end of March, I wanted to reach out to Kevin to talk about some things that homeowners need to keep in mind for spring. And you might notice we're standing by our beautiful new air conditioner. So Kevin, tell us a couple things that homeowners need to keep in mind when it comes to their air conditioning. What is a big problem?
Big problem with customers when they need to keep in mind is to have preventative maintenance done on the air conditioner. So what we want to do is come out and check the air conditioner prior to having the summer come up on you and the temperatures rise and you turn on your air and it doesn't work. So we come out and we'll maintain it and we'll go through it, check out every component on it and make sure everything is up to par and nothing is going to break prematurely.
Yeah, because nothing's worse than scheduling that graduation party at your home in May and you turn on the AC because it's getting warm and there's a lot of people around, and suddenly it's Memorial Weekend and your AC doesn't work and now it's triple the cost and it's so stressful. So to prevent that stress, you can call Kevin at Titanium HVAC and many others that you may know, but certainly reach out to them and get them out on a regular basis. Do you recommend, like, what month is the best time to get your air conditioner checked?
April's a good month to get that going because it's just getting up to about the 70-degree temp. So we can come out when there's a little bit of a heat load on there. We can get a stress test it with a tent over the top of it, so we can simulate a July temperature.
Ooh, okay.
In really hot days, but especially before it gets hot out.
Yeah. And given that we had such a brutal winter as well, when's the best time to get your furnace checked on an annual basis?
That would be right about in September. As it starts to turn fall and the leaves start to change, that's the best time to have us come out, go through the furnace and do our testing and all the components in there as well.
Okay. And do you have an annual plan that people can sign up for, so you
Yep,
come out on a regular basis?
we have an annual maintenance plan that we come out in the spring and we come out in the fall, and we'll perform both of those checks for you.
And do you call the customer to remind them to get that scheduled, or do they call you to get that scheduled?
When we have an annual maintenance
Yep.
agreement, we actually contact the customer and remind them, hey, we'd like to get this scheduled before the temperatures change on them.
Music to a homeowner's ears. So thank you, Kevin. If you have any questions, please reach out to Titanium HVAC, Kevin Lynn, and to Carmen. Just call Carmen first and I'll get you connected. Thanks and have a great day.